Hi everyone! So my last video I did my big summer sticker haul from Glam Planner. You can go check that out if you wanted to know the names of these kits and the kits that I got for this summer. Today I am going to show you guys how I organize my stickers, or how I'm planning to organize them. So I have kind of pre-planned in ahead and picked up a couple of binders, and I've also ordered these organizational stickers to help me out, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to store everything and how I'm going to organize my kits for the year. So I am also have just signed up for the monthly kit subscription from Glam Planner, but it won't be coming until August. I did make my own for July because I didn't really have anything, so I made it myself. But with her subscription, you get like a, oh my gosh, dog hair everywhere. Oh, this is what happens when you have a Burmese. So the kit will come with everything kind of pre-sized out with stickers. I cut these myself, which I don't mind doing as well, but with the kids and working, I'm not going to have time to do that going forward. I did have this time during our COVID quarantine, so that was a nice way to keep busy. And then she has all these stickers kind of matched for the month. So there will be like a monthly kit for every month of the year starting in August, and those ones I'm going to store in this one here. So this one is, oh, it's showing up like really bright on camera, but it's actually like jet black and with some like a gold knob and some gold polka dots. And there are actually 13, I don't know if you can see, 13 of these sections. So with the 13 sections, I'm going to do the 12 monthlies, and then I'll have like an extra section for whatever I want, or I may not use it for anything, but at least I have that one. So that's going to go in this kit. So I'm going to label these tabs from January to December for my monthly kits when they start coming in. And then for the weekly kits, I actually got 4 of these guys. And these are like marble, let me see here, just close it there. So this is actually like a marble design. It's like gray and white, and it's really beautiful. It reminds me of like one of those really nice countertops. If this will just focus, there we go. And it's got like a little like pull latch. And this one as well also has 13 of these sections. So basically there are 52 weeks in the year, and these go up to 52, including these 2 here. So what I'm going to do is that in each of these, I'm going to label like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, all the way to week 52. And then it ends up being kind of like with the 4 different binders, you could fit about, I think, 3 months in each. So they'll be kind of also be organized by season. So they'll be like winter kits. I'll have to get like some sort of label here. Winter kits. I'll get spring, summer, and fall. So it will also kind of double as like a seasonal organization as well, which is awesome. And then for the actual weeks, so that's where these stickers are going to be used. And for the actual weeks that I'm going to be using them, that's where these stickers come in handy. So for example, this past week that just happened, which was, hang on, let me just get my calendar out again. This past week that we just passed was this week here. So this week was the week of July 6th. This was also week 28 over here. So I would file this kit under week 28. And then the week that I'm actually using this kit, actually I'll spin on, is going to be from July 6th to July 12th. So there we go. So, and then I take this, and that will go in here in the proper spot. The other thing that I do when I am putting together my kits, so in my previous video I showed you guys all these kits individually, and I also showed you the little extras. So I went ahead and put the extras in with the kit, so everything is all together. And then I don't know if you guys may or may not have noticed that these kits, because they're the bitty kits, they don't come with bottom washi. So what I have done is I have gone ahead and actually purchased some matching kind of bottom washi from Erin Condren. And this is where I really enjoy being a Franken planner. So it's not that I don't like her full kits. I love full kits. I do get them occasionally for like a special week or special occasion where I just really love how it's together and I don't want to worry about, you know, messing around with different things that week. But I used to be a scrapbooker, so I really love having a little bit more freedom to build a kit myself and just pull from a bunch of different places. So I got the bitty kit, which is about, and I'll price it out for you guys actually. The bitty kit is about $6.95. The extras, each sheet is $2.95. And then these, which are the customizable ones on Erin Condren, so you can change all the colors for most kits, not all. I do a tutorial on that as well if you wanted to look back into some of my videos on how to do these and change the colors online. When you order 4 or more of these, you get a discount. So I think before the discount they're like 4 something, and then after the discount they're like $3.62 each. And so if you're going to just get the bitty without the extra and the washi separately, it ends up being about $10 for kind of make your own fullish kit. And then if you add the extras on, it ends up being about like $13 to $15 for a kit, which is still really reasonable. And like I said, I do have, if you wanted to do that, you could. And I can kind of show you how I've ended up matching these for the summer. And yeah, so I chose this one from, again, EC. I got the kaleidoscope one because I felt like that looked like kind of like fireworks, and it kind of matched this kit here. And then for the Arabian Nights, I went with the turquoise and pink washi because I felt like that looked like the sand and Jasmine's outfit and stuff like that, and the flamingos. Then for the Maidens and Mythology kit, I chose this one, these colors, which is like pink and some greens and peaches, which kind of matches this kit. And then for my mermaid one, now this one will still work if the Thingamabob one comes, the Ariel one, but if it doesn't come in time, then this one, I like the blues and the purples. I felt like this one would go well together. For our wedding anniversary week, I have my Bridal Bliss, and I matched it with this bottom washi. For pool day, I matched it. I don't know how you guys can see, but there we go. I matched it with this kit. And for the Miami sunset, I went with the cheetah print because I thought that was a little sassy, and the Miami vibes. It just, no cheetah, sorry, leopard. Leopard. I thought that they went really well together with the yellow and the blue. And then for the Beach Babies, was more of a pastel kit kind of originally, but I wanted to add some color to it. I can just, so I added this one from the Moana kit on her store, and then it fits nicely with this. This kind of ties in this washi here. And bottom kits with the pink. And then for the back to school, I custom did this one, which is actually, it's not showing up super well on here, but this is like a baby pink. It's pretty much almost white. And then with the brown, which matches the Get It Done kit for back to school week, which is the last week of August. So that's how I end up grouping my kits together. And so this is how I would file it together into here. I would also file, like, let's say, I'm just trying to find one. Oh, here. Okay. So I also put in the same folder like anything like I'm going to use as well, like extra. So like for the wedding week, I'm also going to use not only these two, but I actually got these as well. And I got these from Michael's. They're really beautiful. They're sparkly rings. And I was going to add this for my wedding week. And I'm also going to add, probably going to find a way to add these on somehow. I don't know if it's kind of, it's raining outside today, guys. The lighting is not really that great. So it's kind of like, let me open these actually, because that sometimes will help. And then this was just from like the dollar store. It's pretty reasonable. And that's what they look like. And it's like a pearl with some sparkles. So I might use this, you know, as some of like the overlay for this. So like on top of this washi somehow, or I'm going to find a way to work this into the kit, but I really, really like this. So I'm going to use that as well. And so, yeah, so that's how I kind of file all my things. I just see, you know, what I want to add to that kit that week, and then I will file them all together. So in this one, I just will put all of this together, and then I just have to put the week on the main kit, which is going to be August 3rd to August 9th, which is when our anniversary is. And there we go. And it's ready to go in. I am going to go and label everything, and then I will be back. Okay, so I am done. I started with my monthly kit accordion folder. And as you can see, kind of, so that's that starts over here actually. That's January, February, March, April. And they just kind of alternate all the way to the end. In addition to my monthly kits from Glam Planner going in here, I'm also going to be putting in my monthly covers as well, because I am going to be changing out the covers each month. So this is going to be, for example, my August cover. So that's just going to go into August. And this is going to be my September cover. It's a beautiful pink with some rose gold, which goes in the September monthly. And then we have Halloween, which is those. These are so glossy. Like, it's so hard to see these. And then I have November, which is my wreath. And that's going to go in November. This one is for December, the Christmas gingerbread house. We make these every year together as a family. So it's kind of tradition. But I think of Christmas now when I think of gingerbread houses, because my son, my daughter, my husband, and I will always make them together. Sometimes we make them all together, or sometimes we have like a little competition and we'll like team up and try to like out decorate the other one. This one's going to be for January, so it's going to go at the front for next year. And this is the original cover that came with my vertical layers, and that's going to be for February because it reminds me of like ice and snow and like that time of year. So that's going to go in February. So the only thing that's missing from this one now is the monthly kits from Elle. And I also, on the top, if you can see, I decorated it as well. So it says monthly kits in the gold with like a little jewel in between. And those are just some stickers that I got from, I either got these from Walmart or the dollar store. They're really inexpensive either way. And they're just like a gold, shimmery gold. I forget the word for that right now. And then these are just like a little envelope. This is another little storage tip that I have. And I just keep these little ones in there. I like using these to decorate. You never know. I use these for my Black Lives Matter spread, and also just on top here. And then these ones I use for the silver ones, which you'll see in a moment. And those are for my weekly kits. So I'll put that over there. So the monthly kits are done. And And then for the rest of the year, I have my 4, as I said. I don't know if I could show all 4 here. So I have winter, and this is weeks 1 to 13. I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So see here, we have week 1 to 13. And those are going to be the beginning of the year and the winter months. So I have that here. So I know when I'm grabbing them on top, I just have to look quickly and I'll know which one is which. And the next one, obviously, is spring. So all my spring kits will be in here. And these are from weeks 14 to 26 with like a little shimmery dot there. And then I also have summer and fall in a similar setup. So I have summer, weeks 27 to 39, and fall, which is weeks 40 to 52. So I'm going to be filling up this one for now. I'll just fill up a couple just so you can, I'm pretty sure you guys kind of get the idea by now. So as I said before, this one is week 28. And I'm going to be getting my ring, picking up my ring at the end of the week. So I actually had this one as well that I'm going to throw in on one of the days because it matches the colors of this kit. So, and that's for July 6th to July 12th, which is week 28. So when I look in here, I just see week 28, and I'm going to slip this in. And then I know that that's where everything for that week is going to be. And then obviously so forth and so forth. So this is going to be week 29. And that's going to go in there. Week 30. Week 31. So many extras for our wedding anniversary, but it is a special week for me and my husband. And that's going to be week 32. Our cottage week, week 33. And that is that for now. So the next round of kits that I'm going to be ordering that are coming in, and some of them in some cases I have ordered, are my fall kits. They are going to be coming in hopefully within the next month, so by August, so that I can start planning for the fall. And in the mid-fall, I'll be ordering for winter, and I'll do kind of a little haul every time I get my new set of kits. I hope this video was helpful for those of you who are getting set up and initially learning, how to plan and how to store your stickers, or looking to change what you already have or set up a brand new system. Yeah, play around and see what works for you. I love the accordion system and having the 4 different seasons and all the weeks, like that works out perfectly for me. Again, these are from Walmart. They have 13 pockets each, which does add up to the 52 weeks of the year, which is perfect. And then the black one that I had was 13 as well, but I mean, it's 12 months, so, and then I get an extra pocket, so I'm not mad at that. I've seen people use binders, folders, all sorts of different ways. There are lots of different ways to plan, so just find what works for you, and you will. So it's just a process. Just take some playing around, and it's fun. It's very creative, and even like this part, even the organizing I love it so much. It's part of the process that I like. We still get to use the stickers for decorating and organizing all the stickers. So yeah, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit like. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. That way you won't miss out on any content or new videos that I put out. I'm currently putting them out every Sunday, sometimes Wednesday, like this week and some previous weeks. You will get a double video. Just depends on the week and if, what fits into the topic that I'm working on and that sort of thing. If I have some extra time, or if I just see something really fun that I think you guys will also enjoy. Hopefully everybody's staying well. We made it halfway through the week. Happy hump day. And until next time, stay healthy and safe, guys. Bye.